Imagine for a moment if you took your car to an auto mechanic for a simple oil change, and he told you it would take a full day to complete the simple task. You look around the garage and there's not another customer in sight. Surely a 20-minute job shouldn't take all day if you're the only customer, right? And that's when you notice something else. The garage is completely empty. There's not a single tool around. Not even a screwdriver or a pair of pliers. And certainly there are no power tools or computer diagnostics. You turn back to the mechanic and look at him quizzically with a cocked eyebrow. No tools, you ask? He shakes his head. Nope, don't need them. Wouldn't it be easier with tools, you ask? He says, maybe, but at the end of the day the job is done just the same. I'm pretty sure if you ran into a mechanic without tools, you'd probably laugh and take your business elsewhere. You'd have to shake your head at anyone who took all day to do a 20-minute job, simply because they were too stubborn to use a few tools. But you and I both know this is such a completely ridiculous example that it would never happen in real life. You'd never find a mechanic working without tools. And likewise, you'd never find a plumber, carpenter or even a janitor working without the right tools to make the job easier and faster. Yet take a look around, and you'll see plenty of other professionals working without the right tools, maybe even you. Because if you do any type of writing from blog articles to newsletters to social media posts without the right tools, then you're going to find yourself taking all day to do a 20-minute writing job. Worse yet, the end result may not even be as good as you hoped. I'm sure you know exactly what I'm talking about. Some days you just stare at a blank screen. Some days it feels like trying to string a few words together is harder than drawing blood from a tomato. It's frustrating to waste so much time, and it's embarrassing when you don't put out your best work. Now here's the good news, you can kiss those frustrations goodbye starting today. Introducing your ultimate content writing shortcut. A complete set of tools, tutorials and templates to make every word you write easier, faster and better than ever before. These are the same tips, tricks, templates and tools some of the net's top marketers, writers and business owners use every day to create high-quality content that makes an impact and gets results. And now you too can use these same tools to create great content faster than ever. Wondering if you can benefit from this package? If you write any of the following types of content, then this package is right for you. And pretty much any other content you need to build your business, connect with your prospects and customers, or to create impressive content for your clients. To my knowledge, there's nothing like this on the market. I really believe you've never seen anything like this anywhere. And I'm convinced you won't find a better way to become a better writer. Within 5 minutes of downloading the package, you will have full confidence that this is the real deal. This is something you will use in your business. It will not gather cyber dust. It will not be filed away on your computer. You will use this over and over again. And the sooner you start using it, the sooner you'll be able to create better content which generates more traffic, more loyal readers, more customers and more money in the bank. So there's just one thing left for you to do. Click the link below to order now. And grab your copy of the Copywriter's Lodestar. Thank you for watching.